Welcome to Hickman Charter School's fourth problem of the month, Williams Polygons. In this spatial visualization themed problem of the month, students will be exploring tasks and puzzles that involve two-dimensional geometric shapes. This problem of the month also provides opportunity for students to learn and use precise mathematical vocabulary.
At the start, they will specifically be working with 4 different polygons: the triangle, the trapezoid, the rhombus, and the hexagon. You may be tempted to call the rhombus a diamond, but this is a great opportunity for you to teach your child that mathematics has some specialized vocabulary. There are no diamonds in mathematics.
Pattern blocks are the perfect manipulative for primary level A through level C. Check your manipulative kit for a set of these. Otherwise, you may find our page of cutouts useful.
This problem of the month also focuses on spatial visualization and reasoning, which are important life skills for things like map reading, design, arranging furniture, architecture, construction, and more.
Primary Level A introduces our youngest students to 3 different polygons: the green triangle, the blue rhombus, and the red trapezoid. The students are then asked to make a trapezoid shape using the triangles and/or rhombi. That's plural for rhombus. They are then challenged to find a second way to do it. Finally, they are to verbalize how they found one of these solutions. Record this explanation for them to share with their education coordinator. An optional extension activity explores ways to make the hexagon shape with smaller polygons.
Level A explores dividing a regular hexagon into equilateral triangles, and then asks students to find ways to separate the hexagon into other polygons.
In Level B, students look for patterns as they explore how many equilateral triangles of side length 1 it takes to make regular hexagons with sides of 2 units each and then 3 units each. Students will need to draw and visualize these larger hexagons to find out how many unit triangles they contain.
Level C moves away from the manipulatives, asking students to explore the properties of congruent isosceles triangles that make up the octagon, decagon, and then any regular polygon with n sides.
In Level D, students are given the puzzle of dividing an octagon into 3 quadrilaterals. They are then asked to find the area of these 3 quadrilaterals.
And for anyone who's up for a good challenge, in Level E, Mr. Madigovich challenges students to cut a triangle into quadrilaterals only, using some very specific instructions. Can you do it? This one may really test your perseverance.
Remember, the important thing with these problems is to give your students room to explore, make mistakes, persevere, and solve.
Your role is to be an encourager, a sounding board, and someone who asks good questions to help nudge your student forward. We're all working toward the goal of helping our students to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Our secondary goal is to help students better communicate their thinking and justify their solutions to others. This is the purpose of the student write-up. Encourage your student to share their write-up with you as they would share other writing, for feedback, revision, and editing.
If you have any questions about this problem of the month, feel free to contact David Meyer, Ellen Hansen, or your education coordinator. Thanks again for joining us in developing these critical life skills in our students.